0.5. You can like 1 meter, 0.5. Okay, go for that. This one is this machine. 1 meter maybe 0.3, 0.1. I think it's not over 0.
Yeah, 5 minutes. It's table size or working size?
It's a working size.
Working size is one.
The frame is longer than 5 meters.
Okay.
The real size.
Okay. There is some big parts, but the next week I will cut it because it's too big for transportation. I will separate these parts. And what we have.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi there. My name is Jem. I am a product designer and working in Turkey. And I'm working with a Blue Elephant company more than 5 years, and I trust all of the machineries. They are very professional for customizing products and CNC machines, the laser cutting machines. We are very happy to work with Blue Elephant. Thank you very much.